Hello everyone, I'm Nathaniel Cole. Today we are now going to conquer an MAT question from the realms of 2009. Our question is based on the integral IA, where 0, 1, x minus a squared dx. Now we need to find the smallest value, and I mean the smallest value that IA can equal to. First, let's expand the brackets and then we do some integration. Actually, it's x squared, x4 minus 2ax squared, a squared dx. Now we integrate it. How do you integrate? Well, let me just tell you that the integral is this. Then you just sum in the upper limit and subtract the lower limit. Unfortunately, the lower limit becomes 0, so we just have a handy simplification right there. Good. Now we have a quadratic polynomial in A. How do we find the minimum A? So we find d over dA equals to minus 2 over 3 plus 2a. Now we need to find the minimum, right? Minus 2 over 3 plus 2a equals 0. In general, if d over dA equals 0, that's where we find the minimum or maxima. We solved it and got A is 1/3. Now we can find I 1/3 equals to 1/5 minus 2 over 9 plus 1 over 9 equals to 1/5 minus 1 over 9 equals, you know how to cross multiply, you can do this better easily. There you have it, 4 over 45. Interesting, right? Now it is the 98th video, and I'm happy to say that 98 is 2 times 7 squared. It's a special case of 2a squared plus 2 equals to b squared. Now another form, 2a squared plus 1 equals to b squared, is also known as the Pell equation. And if you generalize it further, ma squared plus 1 equals to b squared, we form the generalized Pell equation. Interesting terminology, right? Math's here to confuse you. Now turn the phone. Alright, so let's work out solutions to the Pell equation. What's it? We have 2, 3, 12, 17, 70, 99, 408, and 577. Thank goodness I memorized all of those. Now if you 2 times a squared plus 1 equals to b squared. So our b is this, and you want a to be here. Well, you can just test it, and you got it. Interesting Pell equations, right? Anyway, Pell equations are not our area of concern now, but it's a fun time when you look at an integral, because an integral can tell you much information about the function. It might tell you about its function's behavior, its area. I just rhymed. And look, what a queer result we have. Well, it's maths. Live with it. Goodbye.